So how can it serve me as a woman to connect with my light feminine and my dark feminine, and to connect with my light masculine and my dark masculine energies in my body? It's very simple. It's a concept that was created to help people find balance in themselves, and particularly in this modern world. Because in the modern world, women and men strive for something called equality, and meeting, feeling really met by the other person, means that both genders in a couple, in a polarity, actually have to do the deeper work to embrace the masculine and the feminine within themselves. Because as a woman now in the 21st century, I like being successful, I like being independent, I like being able to speak my truth, I like to sometimes initiate or speak my needs and my desires. And at the same time, I don't want to come across unfeminine or unreceptive or not being spoiled or loved up by a man. So no matter what gender orientation, but it is the same for a person in a masculine body. Men these days also want to feel understood. They want to feel heard. They don't always want to just be the provider and the strong one that does everything and initiates and pays for everything. So balancing out this aspect inside of us is incredibly insightful. It's incredibly healing, and it's fun because they all have different gifts for us. And in this workshop on Saturday, we are gonna go into those 4 aspects and explore how alive are they in me, what's lacking, what's missing, what am I longing for, what am I missing, what patterns am I constantly repeating in my life, and how can that relate to those 4 archetypes. So there's always something we can balance out in our lives, and I invite you very warmly to this journey this Saturday. Have a look on our website. We're having a last minute special for female bodies. We get 50% off. TOL50 is the code. Please make your way to our website in the event section, and we'd love to see you there. The day event is also followed by an evening event which revolves around touch, and I shall do another little video on that.